So, if your Keurig coffee maker won't brew anything here, well, there are a few things that you may want to know and you may want to do here. So, when the machine doesn't brew, you're not getting that cup of coffee you expect, and something's keeping the water from getting through as intended. Well, the cause often comes down to one of a few common issues. So, that includes water flow problems, clogs, or electrical brew system faults. Now, what do you need to do? So, first things first, you want to check the water reservoir. Now make sure the tank is full or at least above the fill line here and properly seated at so the brewer can draw water. Also check for air bubbles in the water line which can block the flow. And also you may want to clear the puncture needle and holder area. Now when the machine doesn't brew, the small tubes that punctures the K-cup or the needles behind the brew head are often clogged. So many folks or people out there are recommended using straightened paper clip to carefully clear those needles. And also, you may want to descale your machine. So mineral buildup, especially if you're using hard water, can block internal hoses or valves. So a half water or a half white vinegar solution run through the brewer can help dissolve deposits. Then rinse well with plain water. Now, if the machine is making noise and isn't delivering coffee, it may be or it may have lost its prime or water isn't getting drawn in. So try unplugging it for a few minutes, then plug it back in. Now, some people or some forums out there report that tipping or shaking the machine as well, the reservoir remove obviously, help release trapped air or water flow blockages. And also, if there's still no brew, it could be a pump or valve or hose fault. So if you've gone through the cleaning, the scaling, checking for reservoir, then still can't brew, doesn't brew here, well, internal pump or a one-way valve might be fading here. So you may want to reach out to a support representative here or reach out to the support here and see what are your options here. Like maybe get a replacement or have a technician look at it. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.